Torrential rain outside the window. Lisa was lying in her RV looking out the window cozy and leisurely. It was 11 o'clock at night. Lisa drove alone and went out. Encountered sudden rainstorms and typhoons. So for safety, Lisa parked her car on the side of the road. Decided to camp here for the night. After she stopped the homemade trailer. Close the curtains. Turn on the lights in the car. It's like returning to your own home. Torrential rain along the way. Typhoons continue. She will wet body dry. Lisa decided to escape the sudden rainstorm in the car. Short stay. Don't go out anymore. She got out of the refrigerator in the car. Take out all kinds of ingredients stored in advance. Getting ready to make some supper. To enjoy alone at night. Lisa, who has been camping for 2.5 years. Cooking is already quite good. While cooking. And cut up the tender chicken. Then start cooking oil. When she put the chicken in the pan and fry it. And don't forget the windshield. Prevent oil droplets from splashing. Then put the roasted chicken into the pot. Served with rice. Waiting for further heating. However, at this time, the storm suddenly hit. The severe rainstorm made Lisa very afraid. Only in a warm and comfortable RV. Take a break. The rice is already cooked. With burnt yellow tender chicken. She cuts it into a plate. Serve with rice. Add secret seasoning. Served with delicious soup. Make it your own supper. Sitting alone in an RV late at night. Eating delicious chicken rice. Listening to the drizzle outside the window. It's really very pleasant. The rain outside the window is heavier at this time, crackling on the surface of the RV. Fortunately, Lisa has been camping out for 2.5 years. These storms have become commonplace to her. She finished quickly after eating meal in the car. It's time to pack up. Fold the small table board in the car for storage. And fold the seat through. Assembled into a large small bedroom sofa bed. Lisa at this time. She can lie on a comfortable sofa. Listening to the drizzle. It's really very pleasant. Then she took out the food stored in the car. And she took out her own game console and assembled it. She built the display. Started playing games on the couch. Relaxed and comfortable. She can also have drink and a snack. On the table and chairs. Just put all kinds of things to eat, drink and have fun. She can easily lie on the sofa. Listening to the rain outside the window and playing games. Wait until late at night. Lisa went back to bed. At this time, the rainstorm outside the window is even worse. She decides to rest early. Check the latest weather conditions. The torrential rain will continue. Typhoons will also haunt her. The next morning, the rainstorm woke up Lisa. It was raining and misty outside the door. The ground is also full of stagnant water. Trapped she here. So she got up and tidied up, reassembling last night's bedroom sofa. Folds into a dining table. Then she can put a gas tank stove on top. Start frying poached eggs for breakfast. Toast on the toaster. Add poached eggs. Pour over tomato butter cheese sauce. Add some gnocchi with octopus. And then the bread becomes very delicious. The rainstorm has not stopped at this time. She is eating a delicious meal in the car. Start enjoying the comfort of the morning rain. Eating a delicious breakfast in the car. Look out the window and see the scenery outside the window. The scenery at the top of the mountain is beautiful. It's refreshing. It feels very comfortable to even look at it more. After eating and drinking, she returned to the comfortable soft bed. Lying by the window and looking at the scenery. It was 8 a.m. In order to continue her journey, she went back to the driver's cabin and continued to go. To avoid the upcoming typhoon and rainstorm, make it difficult for her to evacuate. She continued her camping journey.